Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight we're going to be making one of my favorite dishes, my way. It is very good for a nice cold day or just something to eat during the week. We're making some Vietnamese pho. These are the ingredients that you're going to need. Generally, you can use any meat that you would like to. Today I'm going to be using a rotisserie chicken just to show you guys what you can do with some leftover rotisserie chicken. Also some jalapeno, cilantro, and scallion. Okay, to a hot pot, we're going to add some oil. Then we're going to add some minced garlic, about half a tablespoon. And then we're going to add our spicy chili crisp, or if you get spicy chili oil, that's fine. We're going to add about a tablespoon or a half a tablespoon of that as well. It's going to begin to get very flagrant, and that's when you know that you're ready to add your veggies. So we're going to cut a half of an onion and place that in there. These are for the aromatics. And then our scallion, of course. Mixing that up in that hot oil to let all of the juices come through. Then you're going to begin to add your stock. Now, no, this is not the traditional way to make pho, but when I say this pho broth is just amazing, get it, use it. You can stop here if you are not making a lot of broth or if you don't like a lot of broth, but I like a lot of broth. So I'm going to add some water to that container and pour it back in there. And don't talk about my hands being ashy because I wash my hands a lot. Thank you. Now look, this is all based on how much broth you would like. I had an extra box of the broth, so I decided to place that in there because I like a lot of broth. Then we took the bones out of our rotisserie chicken and we're going to add that in there to start that flavor that we want. Now I do let this simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes on medium low before I start to add all of my seasonings. So I'm starting with some hoisin sauce, just about a tablespoon of that into your broth. Now if you know me, you know this is mashed, so I'm adding some in there. You can or cannot if you don't want it. Then we're going to go ahead and mix that around. It should start to smell beautiful in your house. Then we're going to season it up. Now, if you know me, you know I season with my heart, so I don't know how much of what you should put in there, but you should season it to what you would like to taste. Now at this point it has been simmering on medium low for about 45 minutes. We're just going to keep stirring. So now that that's been on here for about 45 minutes, we're going to begin to cook our noodles with some cold water and some oil to start. Once it starts boiling, we're going to add our pho noodles. This is the brand that I like. It's really, really good. Very, very soft, but also firm and chewy. It's just all around a great noodle. I only added half a pack because it's only me and my boyfriend. So you can judge it based off of how many people you know are going to be eating it. Half a pack should feed 2 of you guys. Next, we're going to set our timer to 4 minutes. Don't laugh at me because I don't know how to work my oven. But yeah, 4 minutes. I like to stir occasionally so that they don't get stuck together. Then, of course, we're going to rinse that off so we can get all that nasty starch off of there. And then you're going to run it under some cold water so they don't get soggy. And cold water helps to stop the cooking process, so I stir that around in the cold water until we get the starch off and we're sure that all of the noodles are done cooking. And now we're going to build our pho. First, we're starting with the noodles. Then we're going to add our protein. If you're using chicken like me, then you'll add your chicken and your onions. You can use white or red onion. Next, we're going to add some of that beautiful broth into our bowl. Now, traditional pho broth is supposed to be clear. However, I seasoned mine and I just have a lot going on in mine. So, of course, it's not going to be clear, but it's still delicious. And I added all of my greens on top with some extra chili crisp and a lime. You can do whatever garnishes that you would like to put on top, but this is mine, and here you go. Quick and easy pho for a cold night, a cold day. If you have a cold or if you just like soup like me, we're going to squeeze that lime onto there, and then you're done. I hope you guys enjoyed and continue to watch out for some more content. Bye, guys.